Hello peeps, Mr. ATC once again back to you for another idea of housing throughout recycling. And in the project today, I will be showing you how to create a toilet paper holder with some pallet wood and a piece of pipe. Alright, let's take a look. Alright, so one of the first things I will start doing as usual is dismantling all the wooden slats. And to do so, I will be here using my hammer and my reciprocating saw. Then the next step will be to remove all the different nails inside the wood. As we know, in pallet wood we have a lot of nails. Then checking the pipe in order to paint it in gray. Then, while the paint is drying out, I will be moving to my thickness planner in order to smooth down all the surface on each pieces of wood. Then now that they are all cleaned, it's time for me to remove the different sides. And for this, I will be using, as you can see, my table saw. Then the next step will be to take the different measurements in order to make sure that my paper is properly inside this design. And note that this is very important to take all the right measurements in order to make sure that you are making the right cut. Then after that, I'm moving to my router in order to create the gap to insert the pipe. Then after that, I'm moving to my miter saw in order to make the different cuts. When I'm done with the different cuts, I'm going back on my work table in order to assemble the different pieces. And as you can see, it's fitting pretty well. So now the goal for me will be to find a way to attach the different pieces, and I've decided to join them using screws, some 3cm screws. Then after that, sanding as much as possible. Then adding a layer of paint. Then here we are, all done for this project. And if you like it, feel free to let me know in the comments below, and I will be happy to discuss with you to see how we can improve stuff and how we can change things. As always, Mr. ATC for you and for another idea of housing throughout recycling, and I'll see you next time.